what I'm saying? I know y'all haven't seen this low tier quality in a minute. It's cause I perform the best heist of all time on Sniper Jones camera. So if y'all want to see quality videos, head over to Big Holla, you know what I'm saying?
My camera has only been down for a few days, and already Holla is giving these blasphemy, is that how you properly say? Blasphemous accusations. So I told y'all my camera is broken, and it's still broken. I just have not got a chance to take it to the repair store. So today I will be taking it to the repair store. I have to pick up my cousin from the airport, and I'm gonna just drop this off beforehand. Now, me being like the Hall of Fame friend that I am, I told Holla come through. I'm gonna help him do some recording for his music video, you know what I'm saying? If y'all don't know, Holla got the bars.
Thinks I didn't pull off the heist. I gave him a broken camera in replacement of his working one. I don't know if y'all seen the movie Lupin on Netflix.
You watched it?
Yeah, it was good, but it's nowhere near Money Heist.
If y'all have not seen Lupin, then check it out. It's on Netflix. That's what me and Holla was talking about. But today I will be showing y'all an unboxing that I got. Foot Locker sent me a surprise box. Something that I did not see coming. Something I was actually surprised to see. So the box is here. I was so like shocked that they sent it. I kind of opened this up a little bit prematurely because I had no idea they was gonna send it over. And as y'all can see, I kind of opened it up already. So the unboxing won't be what y'all used to seeing. We also got over here a mystery box, my first mystery box ever bought. So if y'all want to check out, I do want to start doing like the mystery box unboxing. This is a $400 mystery box. And I'm very excited to see what's in this because this looks very small, but I am doing mystery boxes coming up soon. This should probably be tomorrow's video. Don't ever disrespect Lupin again. You know
I'm not saying Lupin is bad. Lupin just isn't Money Heist, bro. It's nowhere close.
Okay, all right. That's cool. Yeah. All right, guys, what is up, man? We are back in the studio. As I told y'all, Foot Locker sent me something I did not see coming. Now, before I came here to unbox this, I took my camera to the repair shop, so it is officially getting repaired. If you don't believe me, holla! Yo, come on in, bro. Come on in. Tell the people so they don't know I'm lying. You know what I'm saying? If he lies, bro, it just happens often. Tell the people today, you know what I'm saying? You went with me.
What we did?
We just came back. We went to the camera repair store, so the Sony A7 is not being repaired. So hopefully this quality of footage don't make my new subs leave because it's gonna be back. Tell them we went.
Where we went?
Yeah.
We went to Magic City.
Bro.
You know what I'm saying? Got them lemon
bro.
pickle.
He's lying.
Why would I lie? When have I ever lied? Point to me one time I've ever lied. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can't find it, so.
Holla gotta go. Holla gotta. Listen, we just left, okay? We just left. Anyways, Foot Locker, thank you guys so much for being amazing. You know what I'm saying? I've been working with Foot Locker over the years, and every time they send me something, it's always a surprise because I never know what it's gonna be. So, judging by this box, okay, it has to be something basketball related, I'm guessing, because look at the box. I mean, the box is literally a basketball, and I still have the first ever package Foot Locker has ever sent me, and it's right here. A lot of y'all don't know that, you know what I'm saying? Foot Locker sent me my first ever Foot Locker package. I still have it. The first ever thing Reebok ever sent me was still here. The first thing Hibbett Sports ever sent me was still here. I keep a lot of my valuables behind me because it humbles me. You know what I'm saying? It reminds me where the grind started. And by the way, congrats. Thank y'all to 70K. Merch is available. It's linked down below. Let's get into it, man. Let's see what they sent your boy. We're going to open this up together as one. Okay, so I see some clothes in here, and I also see a Foot Locker rewards card. Okay, so the first thing is the Foot Locker rewards card, and on the back it says $200. So this is a $200 Foot Locker card. That's lit because retros these days are like $190 plus tax, probably a little bit over $200. So I would probably just use this card and then pay the rest of the balance, which is probably gonna be like $3 or $4 with my card. I can do that easily, or I can go in there, get fresh, get some nice clothing, get some accessories, whatever I want to do. It's $200. And even if I don't want to buy a Jordan retro, if I want to get something else, like whatever, some basketball shoes, Kyrie's only go for like what, 110, 120 top. So I can definitely get some good things because I'll have like $80 left over. Let's see what else Foot Locker sent your boy. This hoodie, you already know it's hoodie season, man. So Snipe, I've been wearing hoodies, living and dying with the hoodies. We got New York. Speaking of New York, hey, look, it is official. James Harden has just went to the Brooklyn Nets. Now, y'all know I am a basketball fanatic. All hell just broke loose. I had no idea that trade was even possible. I knew the trade rumors when I heard them. I'm sorry if y'all not a basketball fan, but there's no way Foot Locker can send me a New York hoodie with a basketball on it and I don't talk about New York basketball. Because even though the Knicks are available, I mean Brooklyn is still New York. And that is New York basketball. James Harden, Kyrie Irving, Kevin Durant, and they still have Joe Harris, and they still have DeAndre Jordan. Oh my God. Listen, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Brooklyn, because if you live in New York, bro, you got a squad. Easily. I'm sorry to all my other fans out there. They'll easily be in the Eastern Conference Finals, and I think they will make it to the championship. The only team I can seemingly see in their way is the Philadelphia 76ers, because they have a amazing inside game. With Ben Simmons, Joel Embiid, they still got Steph Curry who can shoot the three, and they got an amazing coach as in Doc Rivers who can possibly get past them, like if everything works out. But Boston is just too young. I'm sorry, I know it's a lot of Boston fans. I really gave up on Giannis and the Bucks. It's like they get close every year, but somehow they build a wall on Giannis and he just can't score no more. I know they got Drew Holiday, but he ain't gonna change the world. Anyway, shout out to Foot Locker, the New York hoodie. What else we got up in here, man? We got another. Oh, this one feels like a little bit thicker. I like this quality. Pause. Oh, wait. The Chinatown Market hoodie with the love in basketball. Okay, so this basketball is heart-shaped, so I'm getting the love of basketball. But more importantly, this is the Chinatown Market collab. Bro, this is huge. This is the Chinatown Market collab with Foot Locker. This is a big thing, man. Yo, Foot Locker, thank y'all so much. Now, Chinatown Market is easily one of the biggest clothing brands out there. It's actually kind of affordable, but more importantly, they're known for doing a lot of collabs. Now, this is the Foot Locker 12 Days of Greatness. So I've been lucky enough to receive a package from them, and I'm super excited to actually throw this on and wear it. Now, out of both hoodies and the gift card, I must admit, my favorite out of this whole unboxing has to be the Chinatown Market. Now, surprisingly, there's no sneakers in here, which is very new to me. I've never gotten something from Foot Locker that did not involve a sneaker. Since that's very new, I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of weird. So, I mean, it is what it is. But in all aspects, bro, this unboxing was dope. Had no idea it was gonna be here. Y'all know I moved downtown. I didn't even know that they had my new address. I wonder how that works. Anyways, man, hey, Foot Locker, thank y'all so much. This is fire. The hoodie is fire. The gift card. You know what? I'm thinking. I'm going to Houston next week, and I will be there shopping, just hanging out. Tell me what sneaker y'all want to see me pick up in Foot Locker, and I will probably do that in the vlog when I go to Houston. So down below in the comments, comment right now a sneaker that y'all probably seen at Foot Locker that's probably sitting. Something that's not that hyped, or even if you wanted me to pick up a hype sneaker with that shoe. What do y'all want to see on the channel next? What sneaker do y'all want to see on this channel that I can buy with that $200 gift card? And seeing how this is surprisingly some type of clothing unboxing, I might as well show y'all the new denim that I picked up from Serenity, because somebody literally just commented in my last video, my sneaker rotation video, you should do more denim videos. So I am going to do like a denim video, a video where I'm telling the best jeans to go with shoes, but Serenity just came through and blessed your boy with these bandana-esque pants, man. This bandana-inspired pants. These are fire. And if y'all don't know, Serenity has some of the best slim fit, but also they're expandable, right? So they got the stretch denim. So when you wear these, you can actually stretch. So they're not super tight and hugging your body. You can breathe in them.
Serenity called me. I'll pick some quality stuff here and show off to my subs.
So next up, we got like the washed black jeans. These ones come with like this, almost like an aqua blue or like a teal blue with the bungee cords on the side. And a nice cool part is they got like this patch of cargo. So like a nice cool gray cargo patch, which last leads me to another pair, which is almost like this sand wash. It's like a sand wash jean that has another blue on the side. This is like a light blue, more like a UNC blue, and it has like the tan patch on the leg as well. All of these will be found over at Serenity. Y'all can go ahead and check them out. I will link them down below as well. But I'm pretty much sure that concludes the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for 70K. The link is down below to buy the merch, man. The Dream Big merch. Pre-orders are now available, but they won't be for long. So make sure you take advantage, man, because it will be over very soon. Until next time, man, it is your boy, Sniper Jones. You know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work, though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.